Road Dog Crypto.
Hello, 7 people that like my video. Welcome to Crypto Insight. Bitcoin has been on a tear. The dollar has been dumping. Interest rates have tanked after it pumped up to the 618 Fibonacci, now at 6.5%. Bitcoin dominance is also starting to skyrocket, so that is a warning for anyone trading Bitcoin for altcoins. If you're doing that, you're losing money. You want to be getting into altcoins when Bitcoin dominance is starting to fall if you're buying with Bitcoin. So far this year, we've got a 16% increase in crypto altogether, adding another $130 billion to the crypto industry. And it looks like about 70 billion of that have been piling into altcoins since the start of the year. And every coin we covered yesterday on the Insight Show, listed here onto my right, have been pumping to the upside. My name is Lane, you're on the Road Dog Crypto channel, and you're watching the Crypto Insight Show updated version. I'm making this video as an update for the 7 people who showed up and hit that like button for me yesterday on the premiere of the Crypto Insight Show. I'm still leaving it to you guys for a few days because YouTube's been having problems. I want to give this show a fair shake, but I still need to see 33 likes on this original video if you want this series to continue. I only have 7. During the 4 hours it took me to make this 15-minute video, Bitcoin took off and went past a point that I said that it may get rejection, and Bitcoin is on a bullish tear, so we need to address that. But thank you to Donna, thank you to Leandro, and thank you to Catherine for leaving comments, and thank you so much to the 7 people who did like that video. This channel will soon be celebrating its 1-year anniversary at the end of March, and at that time I will consider whether I will continue or if I'm going to kick back and just enjoy the spring weather. Right now we're going to talk about Bitcoin on the daily. We have got to hold this 0.5 fib level. That's currently where we are. We're just a little bit under it. Very important we do that. Remember, we are in an upward channel. I do foresee us having the possibility to come up to 19,152. If we can do that and break above it, things could look really, really good for Bitcoin, and we could be coming up to test this 200 EMA. Now, it is rare that we get a breakout of a bullish pattern, but that's what Bitcoin has been doing during this whole run. When you come down to the 4-hour time frames, it's just on a parabolic move, and it's still got signs showing that it can still continue. Indicators on the daily are seriously overheated right now. According to the momentum wave on Market Cipher, there's still some chance that we get some more upside. Money flow is still coming in, but we're in some caution territory right now. It's starting to look to me like we may find, a little rejection here at 19,192, may get a little pullback there, and we need one to be healthy. I would love to see Bitcoin reach that area, then maybe come back to where it is now, 18,443, because we've got to hold this level. It's integral to validate this Adam and Eve double bottom that we have. If we can come up to that area, retest it, we have a good shot of working up to these higher price targets. And I'm telling you, they're coming in at 20,205, 20,837, even as high as 21,574 if we can hold above the area that we are at now, right around 18,500. Ichimoku cloud right here getting really thin gives me some hope that we have that, but we need a pullback. One thing that I want to chime in about Bitcoin is that at some point we have got to come back down and retest this 17,600 area. We kind of blasted through that. There was a mini retest for that area, but we've got to come down to our last bottom before everything dropped with FTX. We've got to come back and touch that and confirm that that bottom is there. We got to step on it and make sure that there is something solid underneath our footing before Bitcoin can take off to these higher levels, in my personal opinion. Same situation is going on with Ethereum. We did not get rejected at this level. We broke up through it. It confirms a double bottom. We just need a retest, bounce off that, and then come up to higher levels. Targets are still the same, about 1440. We're looking at this EMA, which is starting to level out about 1500, meaning that we might actually see 1554 over the next day or so out of Ethereum. It's amazing. And as high as 1667 at this area, I would consider definitely taking profits or looking for shorting opportunities. We'll just have to reevaluate that, but definitely should be a pullback at this area, about 16,067 for Ethereum. BNB is struggling to overtake the 200 EMA on the daily. That's an important level that we've got to see break. Money flow is starting to come into this project, but VWAP's coming down. All the indicators are getting very overextended. But again, the key that I would look for are these EMA crosses right here. That is pointing to some upside. If nothing else, I would see maybe BNB getting rejected here, coming back down to maybe 274, gaining some legs, gaining some strength, coming up to retest 295. And then we got to see what happens from there. But either get rejected or it can just plow on through. But I would definitely look about 310 as a definite take profit area, because I am expecting a lot of people to try to short this coin there. This may also be forming a cup and handle type situation where we may kind of range in here with the handle. The biggest thing right now for everything, Bitcoin and everything, is that we need to go as high as we can, and then we need to chill out for a little bit and solidify our stances. XRP is doing nicely, same as the other ones, trying to confirm this double bottom. It needs to hold this level right here at about 37 cents. If we can hold that, we got more chance for the upside. Measured move for this double bottom will take us up to right around 42 cents. I anticipate us definitely hitting up to around this 43 cent area, hopefully up to 46 over the next week. Cardano or ADA is also in the same situation as the other ones. We need this level to hold at 31 cents, get a retest of that, and then hopefully we can get more upside. If these levels break on any of the coins that we've talked about, we got more downward action. That's why it's imperative for these green lines that I've got painted here to hold. Dogecoin has been struggling, but it's still got things working in its favor. I do see a possible retest if we do lose this 200 EMA. If we can't stay above this at 0.077 cents, look to retest 0.075 cents or 0.073 cents before seeing any movement to more to the upside. However, since we are above the 200 EMA on the 4-hour, it's got a chance to actually just take off from here and keep going up. But again, as with everything else, our indicators on the daily are getting a little bit overheated. 4 hours, not too terrible, but not amazing at the moment on Dogecoin. Watch this one carefully. Matic still wants to move. I'll be looking at 96 cents, $1.02, and $1.08 as the nearby targets on this one. Getting really close to that golden cross right here on the 4-hour. That happens. This one's going to take off. OKB said, screw that retest. I'm just going to keep going. And it has. We got to look at this area about 27.52 in that area. Make sure we can hold that. If we drop below that, we could come back down to these areas about 25, just about $26. We are still in this large parabolic movement right here. If this line breaks, if it breaks below this orange line at any point, that's your exit sign. Get out. Otherwise, ride this baby as far as you can take it. Looking for it to go up to 33.96 and hopefully a bigger leg up to 41.9. And if it continues in this parabolic move, that next one from this level will take us up to 53.81. Litecoin decided it would team up with OKB and say, screw the system. I'm still going to go up. There is still a chance that we could come back down to about $76 area if we stumble a little bit here. But man, that golden cross on the 4-hour is just giving it more steam. A lot more money coming into it. I'm looking at short-term targets at 87.01, 89.75, and also 92.50. Some bigger targets you might want to look at is $98.54. If it keeps following this parabola, we're looking at $114. We could be seeing prices up to $128.74 out of Litecoin. Very possible. Last one on our list is DOT. D-O-T. It's been struggling, man. I don't know why this coin has had such a hard time. It's a good project. It just needs to hold this level about $5.15, and then we could definitely see some more upside. It's about to break out of this enormous falling wedge. It does have some upside potential. I do see $5.40, $5.83, $6.20, and then as possibly as high as $6.74 in the near term. These would be some excellent take profit levels to work in with your strategy. Guys, if you found this helpful, please leave a like on this video and also go back to the original pilot video, leave a like there. I need 33 likes on this original video on January 11th for me to continue this series. Otherwise, I'm moving in a different direction. Once again, my name is Lane, giving you Crypto Insight. Be blessed, everyone, especially the 7 people that like my video. God bless every one of you. May your bags be very full and overflowing during this bull market.
Hello, friends. Bobby Joe Rumblemaker right here telling you about the opportunity of a lifetime. Are you trying to find financial freedom by trading and investing in them there cryptocurrencies? But are you having a hard time being profitable and making them winning trades? Well, you can get all that knowledge and a whole lot more just by watching the Crypto Chart School playlist over here at the Road Dogg Crypto channel. You just go right down here where it says Chart School, you click that full playlist, and voila! They got all the knowledge right there. And they're adding to it every week. So if you want to be profitable, right there you can go. And it's all for a like and a subscribe till you get all the answers you need over at the Road Dogg. Happy trading, y'all.